When StoneSource was founded, it was founded with the idea of architects and designers in mind. I'm Joe MacIsaac. I'm the president and CEO of StoneSource.
And so our relationship with architects is key.
I personally worked with StoneSource for, I think, over 25 years.
I've been working with StoneSource for 18 years.
It is a relationship business.
The architectural sales is something that happens where architects specify materials in the beginning of a process, of the construction process. To include natural stone and porcelain tile in this process was really new in 1986. It really created a unique niche for StoneSource to help the architect select the right material by having something that typically happened at the end of a construction process and moving it to the beginning of the process was the real unique change for StoneSource. It's hard to be good in this business. There's a lot of variability. We want to have each material that we buy be the best representation of that natural material. And that's really hard to do. It's something that it's a challenge every time we buy. Are we buying the best that's available? And sometimes the answer is we're not going to buy it because it doesn't meet our standards of the best representation of what it is. We're curators. I'm a firm believer that all showrooms should have a story, and you should be able to, in 5 or 10 minutes, tell the story both of your company, of your products, and how you interact with your potential customers in the showroom. If you think about what is the source is not only the mountain, but it's also the inspiration. We wanted people to walk in and feel something similar to what those of us feel when we actually go into a quarry and are in a stone yard. And we wanted to make sure that there was a connection between nature and our finished product that we're selling, which is oftentimes very much improved and geometric. And I think that the showrooms help to tell that story. And so rather than just showing pretty pictures and images of installations, which we have a lot of, we also thought it was very important that we educated people to the degree that they were interested. We thought that it would be very important that the education that our sales reps carry around in their head and have an opportunity to make sure that they convey when they're one-on-one with you, that you could get that from the website, sitting at home at your kitchen table if you chose. So the care and maintenance guide and the usage guide we thought were very important to include. So if we do our job there, and then we do our job in purchasing the best representation of these different materials, we have a really good opportunity to delight the customer. And that's our goal, is to make sure that they've been educated by us in part so that when they've made the decision, the product is installed, and then it's performing the way it's supposed to, they got exactly what they wanted.